Here is my 8 kilowatt CW ZVS driven Tesla coil. Next, with an ammonium borate breakout, which colors the arc a light green. A strontium chloride breakout, it's the red used in road flares. A steel spring that burns at the tip because of heat from the arc. A scrap of aluminum window screen makes a few white sparks and colors the bottom of the arc a light blue. Next, a spinner driven by ion wind from the arc breakouts. And last, a spring breakout with a small weight at the end, so the ion wind causes it to wobble around.